Good morning, guys, from Tel Aviv. We're heading to the market this morning. It's beautiful weather like usual and we're gonna have fun. Okay. So what are we doing today, guys?
Going to the market.
Okay,
yeah.
Thank you. And then?
Right now.
Surprise!
Then we have a surprise.
Hey guys, today we're at Carmel market in Tel Aviv and we're gonna meet with Nurit, who's the queen of the market.
What a beautiful day today! So my name is Nurit and all my life is around food. The last 10 years I'm living here inside that Carmel Taimanim neighborhood. It's called, the translation it's the Eminat Vineyard. And in the last 5.5 years I'm taking every morning, sometimes every morning and every noon, people to my playground. It's the Carmel market. But before we will celebrate, you drank coffee before? Yeah? Good.
Could use another one.
No, because I want to give you sangria, cold sangria.
One this morning already?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cheers!
Cheers!
I didn't expect sangria that early in the morning. What?
Peanuts cookie because it's so...
Peanuts cookies. Two of my favorite words.
Just peanuts.
Mmm. It's chewy.
Yeah, it's chewy, it's very fresh.
Tastes like...
Peanut.
Is there tahini in it?
No.
Sesame?
No. Lip sugar, of course. What is it called again?
I found something that doesn't contain sesame seeds. I hope there's no peanuts in it because I'm very allergic. What is that, aubergine? You guys say aubergine or eggplant? I say aubergine.
Eggplant.
I say baby aubergines.
Mini aubergine.
Mini.
You know what we're doing with that?
Eat them. Eat them.
Which way?
You roast them.
No.
Tahini, put tahini.
No. No. We make jam from that.
Oh. Jam.
Yeah, jam from those smalls.
We see here a cat fruit, which is very unusual. So this is tarragon.
Delicious. Yeah.
Can I taste it? Tarragon, which we call estragon in French.
You know what is that? You can buy it. Smell that.
It's amazing. What is it?
Louisa.
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 Larissa. An hallucinogen plant. Mint. Tastes like... lemon.
Yeah, it's between lemongrass and mint.
Lemongrass and mint.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
So interesting.
It's a little bit spicy. That's my favorite so far. How do you spell it?
Louisa.
My mother's name is Louise, so I'll remember.
Yeah, Louisa.
I'm better remember it. How much do you guess is the mint here? How much it costs?
It's so expensive in the US.
It's also less than 50 cents.
Really?
Yeah.
How much is it?
Less than 50 cents.
50 cents?
For all that.
Oh boy. This is 50 cents worth of mint. Do you know how much you can get in my country? This is 50 cents.
Yeah, pretty much.
So what's the name of this fruit again? Because I'm illiterate.
Persimmon.
Persimmon. It's like a peach?
It's no.
Softer.
Okay, I'm 26 years old and I'm about to have my first bite of persimmon. It's a peach.
No, it's not.
It's not. It's something.
It looks like a peach. It smells like a peach. It tastes like a peach.
But What is it?
Some of course.
Wow.
Try that crazy donuts.
Thank you so much. 2 words, donuts for breakfast. Three words. Mmm. It's amazing. It's light, it's warm. It's like a funnel cake, but better. I'm never gonna be able to leave this place.
Tomato, cabbage, and burrika.
Let's try this sandwich. It's crunchy inside. The bread is soft. It's like a pancake in a sandwich. A crunchy pancake in a sandwich. You can't go wrong with that. How you call it? Burrika. Burrika. Burrikas are the best. It's kind of crowded now.
What's doing here? She's doing just vegetable juice. She's using kale and spinach and celery root and coriander and persil. And she's using avocado and broccoli and raw sweet potato and cucumber and just imagine all kinds of fruit. She's adding to the juice some olive oil and black pepper. You know why?
Oil helps with the absorption of some vitamins.
Of course you know why.
Why is it?
Yeah.
Fat helps with the absorption of some vitamins.
That's right. That's exactly right.
And why the black pepper?
Is she putting turmeric in it?
It helps the absorption of turmeric.
Yeah.
These guys not only put tahini on everything, they put olive oil on everything. And I like it. Is it vibrant? It's fresh, it's vibrant, it's healthy. It has olive oil on it, pepper, turmeric, vegetable, kale. Sorry?
Ginger.
And my favorite, ginger, fresh ginger. Talking about ginger. Ladies first. Ladies, thank you. Cheers. Cheers.
Alright.
Let's try it. Oh, wow. You can feel the ginger.
Yeah, I love that.
Now I'm awake. As they say in Britain, zingy.
Zingy.
It's zingy. It's fresh, it's vibrant, it's zingy. You don't like it?
It's
too
strong.
spicy?
It's very spicy.
I'm sweating from the juice, not from the weather.
But also very...
Guess what, guys? We're gonna taste tahini. Excuse me. Hello.
Hello.
Those tourists.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Dip it in the tahini and then taste it.
That's my favorite way. I do that at home in the United States.
So you take the date.
But this will be better.
Take the date.
Dip it in the tahini.
I'm gonna taste it.
No, photos.
Dates and tahini. You can't go wrong with that.
Oh yeah.
So delicious. Can I double dip it?
Of course. This is one of the rules.
Oh, this is so good.
It's my jewel date.
Yeah. And you know what the meaning of Majul? The meaning is I don't know. Why it's I don't know. Story it's about one person that visited Europe for the first time. It was 300 years ago. When he first time came to Europe, he saw that I need to bring some present to the European people. So what he bring them, he thought In Europe they have everything, so I will bring them the only fruit that they don't have is the dates. It was so tasty for the European people, so we asked him, okay, it's so tasty, what you brought us? And he said, in Arabic, because he don't even know the language, he said majul, and the meaning is I don't know.
Oh.
So it's I don't know dates.
It's I don't know dates. And I purchased some special bread.
Oh.
This is handmade. And we call it lachuch. Say lachuch.
Lachuch.
Oh, you say it good.
Lachuch. I'm actually from here.
Oh, wow.
This is like, looks like sponge. Yeah.
What's it made of?
Lachuch. Some wheat and water. That's it. Wheat and water. Yeah. And now you must try that with tahini.
Wow. That's something else. I have to try it. That's so light and fluffy. How would you describe it? Look at her.
The tahini, I can't. Everything sticks to your mouth.
Black pepper. You grind black pepper here. Oh my god. Wow. You put the pepper here? Yeah. It's amazing. Look at this place. It's all pepper?
No.
No?
All kinds of spices.
All kinds of spices, you grind it here.
Yeah.
Oh boy. For how long?
I am the miller.
Oh my
like
god.
a shade of pale.
How can you work without sneezing?
Oh, it's very healthy.
It's healthy, yeah?
Yeah.
How can this guy work without sneezing? Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
Oh boy, the pepper. Amazing. I'm so hungry. We've been eating for 3 hours now. Might as well eat something. Are you guys hungry?
Yes. Always.
So hungry.
I never know. He's taking the hummus and make a lot of specials on the top of that hummus. So now he's here and he's gonna bring us a few specials with the best hummus that we're gonna ever add. You tried onion?
Yeah.
But with the onion, you're taking layers of the onion and you eat it like a spoon instead of the bread. So it's much healthier.
So instead of using a spoon, you use a raw onion.
And this is the last generation.
Nice to meet you. This one is hummus with roasted and smoked eggplants. On top, pickled onions, kalamata olives, parsley, and sumac. This one is mesabacha, which is hot tahini cooked with chickpeas. Sour sauce is it's a bit spicy. This one is a special today. Hummus with curry, tandoori, with tofu, 2 kinds of lentils. Take pictures of the empty plates. We eat it now because it's getting cold, okay?
The most important part of the meal is, of course, the pictures. Okay, so let's dig in.
Okay.
What are you guys thinking? Is it good? Try the
So you
onion.
just take a layer, right?
A big layer.
Okay, here we go. Which one?
Here we go, the onion.
Oops, this one? Take a bite.
Go for it.
Not bad.
It's good, eh? I like it. It's not as bad as you would
It's not
think
that
it
strong.
is. No.
I think it complements.
Onion, we love you. Let's try the curry one first.
With onion. Wow, great that.
With onion, of course. My new best friend. Good morning, everybody. That's the best breakfast I've ever had. Raw onion with curry, hummus. Seriously amazing. Can't believe we're still eating.
Oh. Oh yeah, that one's so spicy. That's spicy.
This one?
This one. No, that one. That one is spicy.
Let's try spicy. Oh boy. You think you eat spicy until you travel, you know?
It's almost.
You want to taste?
Yes, please.
No, take this.
Take this?
Yeah. Like this, yeah.
This.
And I ordered
Take onion.
Mmm.
I and my husband eat 20 years here.
Oh, yeah?
And this is my son.
Hello.
Time he came to eat. Yeah. Like newborn, you know.
Okay.
This is the first time he came here.
First time.
Yes,
Oh.
yes.
Ah, hello.
Like virgin.
It's virgin. These raw onions, virgins. You like raw onions? Ah, no. I think nobody likes it really. I like it.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey,